Are you looking for a way to automatically send or receive emails on new and updated records in Airtable? With zzBots, you can now install this as a plugin or pre-built bot from our plugin store. If you are watching this video from YouTube or social media, start by clicking the link in the description. In zzBots, click the install button. If you don't already have an account, you will need to set up a free account before finishing the install. Then click Next. First, set up the connection with your Airtable account. After your account is connected, select the base and the table. In Airtable, you will need to add a field with the last modified time field type. Once this field is added, it will appear as an option in the dropdown. Then click Next, Install Now, and Done. You will be redirected to the bots page. Before you finish setting up this bot, make sure that you have all of the desired fields set up in Airtable. This example worksheet has a field for the email, first name, subject, body, and a single select field called stage. Here there are 3 stages of draft, send email, and done. In zzBots, select the Airtable to send email bot to expand the bot steps. Expand the if condition step. This step will set a condition so that emails will only be sent if the condition is met. If you do not want to set any special conditions, you can remove the if condition step from the following drop-down menu. In the field for value 1, insert the value of the field acting as the send email trigger. In this example, it is the stage field. In the field for value 2, I will type the text send email to match the name of the stage option that I want to trigger the bot. Next, expand the send email step. Here you will need to specify who the email will be sent to. You can type your own static email, or you can insert the value of the email field from Airtable. In the subject and message fields, you can type a static value, insert a value, or mix and match text along with inserted values. I will demonstrate how this works by inserting the subject field value from Airtable into the subject field. Then I will type the following. I will say hi and then insert the first name field value from Airtable. Then I will insert the body field value below. I will then type my signature below the body. Then you will need to add text or insert values to specify the from name and from email. This is required if you want to receive reply emails. After your email step is complete, expand the update record step. If you previously removed the if condition step, then this step can also be removed. The purpose of this step is to update the Airtable record after the email has been sent to indicate its completion. In this example, I will scroll down to the stage field, switch it to drop-down mode, and then set the value to done. This will automatically update each record after the corresponding email has been sent. Once you are done, scroll up and click Save. You will then need to enable your bot by clicking this toggle button. I will demonstrate how this bot works by adding a new record in Airtable with my own email address, along with a customized subject and body. Once I am ready to send this email, I will change the stage value to send email. In zzBots, your bots will automatically check for new or updated records every 10 minutes or faster depending on your billing plan. You can manually check by hitting Check Now. Below the bot steps of your bot, you will find the bot history. Each time that your bot is triggered, it will create a bot instance. The bot power used by each bot instance will be shown here. Bot power will not be used every time that your bot checks for new data. Bot power will only be used when your bot is triggered and successfully sends out an email. As you can see here, I successfully received this email with all of the correct details. And in Airtable, you can see that the stage field was updated to done. If you are looking for more ways to automate your business or integrate your different apps together, then be sure to hit that subscribe button and check out our other videos. If you have any questions, just chat with us on our website at zzBots.com or join our community at zzBots.com/community.